Hello everyone, my name is Ririn Octaviani Putri. For my final semester examination, I have chosen the topic Job and Responsibility. Today, I'm joined by Miss Intan, who works as a finance admin at a private company. Her profile is very relevant to this topic because her job requires high precision, integrity, and the responsibility of managing company, funds, and financial records. Thank you for joining me, Miss Intan.
Hello, I'm happy to be part of your project. Let's get started.
Miss Intan, to start, could you please describe your main responsibilities as a finance admin?
My main duties include recording all financial transactions, processing invoices and payments, managing petty cash, settlements for refunds for complete work, and preparing monthly financial reports to ensure our balance sheet is accurate.
Managing money requires great detail. How do you ensure there are no mistakes in your financial reports?
I always perform a double check on every entry. Accuracy is my top priority.
The end of the month is usually a busy time for finance. How do you handle the pressure of tight deadlines?
I use a checklist and prioritize tasks based on their urgency. Staying organized helps me remain calm even when there is a lot of data to process at the end of the month.
What are the most important skills someone needs to be a successful finance admin?
Besides being good with numbers and Excel, you must have high integrity and honesty. Since you are handling the company's money, being trustworthy is the most important responsibility.
Lastly, what advice would you give to students who want to work in finance and administrations?
Focus on your attention to detail and start learning financial software early. Most importantly, I always be disciplined with documentation.
Thank you very much, Miss Intan, for sharing your insights and experience as a finance admin today. It has been very informative to learn about the discipline and responsibilities required in your role. I really appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.
You're welcome. Good luck with your final exam.
Good morning, my dear lecturer Miss Lia Dewinta, SSM Home. My name is Ririn Octaviani Putri, student ID number 2502010100276 from the Management Study Program, class MG107 in the English course. Today, I would like to present my final English assignment entitled Job and Responsibility, focusing on a real-world perspective from a financial administrator. Reasons for choosing a topic. I choose the topic Work and Responsibility. This topic is important because it bridges academic theory with the practical world of work, preparing you to face future professional challenge. To gain direct insight, I had the opportunity to interview Miss Intan, a financial administrator at a private company. Her role is highly relevant as it requires a high degree of precision, integrity, and responsibility in managing the company's funds and financial records. Next, presentation of interview result. Based on the interviews conducted, the following are the main points regarding the role of a financial administrator. 1. Primary responsibility: recording financial transactions, processing invoices and payments, managing petty cash, processing refund settlements, and preparing monthly financial reports. 2. Maintaining accuracy: The main strategy used is to double-check every data entry. Accuracy is the number one priority to avoid fatal errors in the financial statements. 3. Pressure management. Facing a busy and off-month deadlines, Miss Intan used a checklist system and a priority scale. Good self-organization is the key to staying calm under pressure. Last but not least, required skills. In addition to technical skills, mathematics and Excel, the most important non-technical skills, soft skills, are integrity and honesty. Next, personal response. From the interview, I concluded that working in finance is not just about crunching numbers, but about risk management. I strongly agree with Ms. Intan's statement that integrity is the foundation. Without honesty, even the highest level of Excel skills will be meaningless because this position holds the company's assets. In addition, I see that discipline in documentation is not just an administrative matter, but a form of self-protection and professional transparency that every employee in any field must have. Last conclusion. In conclusion, the financial administrator profession is a combination of technical acumen and character strength. Responsibilities in this job are measured from two sides. One, quality of result, accurate and timely reports. Two, ethical quality, being a trustworthy individual. Miss Intan advised to start learning financial software early and practice precision is a concrete step we can take as students to prepare ourselves for the workforce. Thank you for your attention.